So he said, "That's not my wife. That's a steak sandwich."
Bill, your 10 o'clock is here?
Go ahead, bring him in. All right, guys, I'd like to introduce our IT specialist, Rupert. He's going to go ahead and tell us about a technology that he's created. So let's give him the floor and hear him out.
So, gentlemen, thank you for having me in for a visit. What I'd like to show to you right now is some groundbreaking technology that came to me in a vision quest that was based on a dream. It is actually an application for a smartphone that, when it's synced up to your thumbprint, will reveal deep personal secrets about you, but only in the form of a pop song. This is a floating deuterium chamber, which when you depress your thumb into the center of the keypad transfers all of your personal information and the pop song comes out. This, I believe, will make us millions of dollars. Does anybody want to jump on board?
I would love to try it. Let me be the first. I've got nothing to hide. Here we go, boys.
I am gonna take it. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I just want to take it in the ass.
Busted! Say, Frank, let me give that a try. That looks like fun. All right.
I got a fast car, fast enough to hit someone and drive away. And I
Yeah,
had a hit and run.
that's true. I did hit someone.
Kill the bum.
Oh, man. Whoa! This thing really tells the truth.
Jim, come on. Let me try this. Let me try it.
And
All right, Mel Gibson.
I hate everyone. Not just Jews. Doesn't make sense. But I do hate Jews.
Hey, give me that. Give me a try at that.
oops, I did it again. I slept with Frank's wife.
Bill!
Shame.
Glad someone was taking care of business. I like cocks anyway. You know, Bill, who's not having sex with his wife?
Sorry, I slept with your wife. Multiple times. Rupert, why don't you give it a shot? It's your technology.
I could not.
No, I insist you need to try it, right, guys?
Okay.
Yeah.
What if it comes down to I really don't like to wash my hands, 'cause I've got one hand in my ass crack and the other one is covered by my armpit.
You sick son of a bitch. Get the hell out of here right now. I said move. That's absurd. Get the hell out of here. Sicko.
What a pervert.
Believe the nerve of that guy? What a sicko.
I respect you so much, sir. So much.
Good meeting.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thanks.
See you, Bill.
You take care now.
All right. I'll do the best I can.
Good meeting.
Hey,
hell of a meeting, boys. It's a hell of a meeting.